guys, today let me show you how to make the milk syrup. Milk syrup, ito yung preferred ko na gamitin sa aking cold brew. Okay, let's do it. So, kailangan mo lang ng evaporated milk at condensed milk. 1:1 ang gagamitin natin dito. So, yung maliit na lata, saka yung na condensed milk at saka evaporated milk. Just mix them together and then stir to make sure that they are well combined. Ayan, napaka-creamier kasi ng evaporated milk. And then yung condensed milk mo, ito na yung mag-serve as your sweetener. So, meron tayong tinatawag na Spanish latte. Sa Spanish latte, ang ginagamit nila doon ay condensed milk. Pero dito, since milk syrup lang tayo, so lagyan natin ng evaporated milk. So ayan na, kunin mo na lang yung squeeze bottle mo para mas madali siyang i-dispense pag magtitimpla ka na ng ice cold brew coffee. And voila! You already have your milk syrup. So, ito yung the best para sa akin. Pwede mo rin tong gamitin sa milk tea para mas creamier yung milk tea mo. But I prefer cold brew coffee. Ito yung gamitin ko kasi sa full cream. And that's it, our milk syrup. Bye!